Look at this one with hair.
You see it, huh? Get it.
Okay.
Careful, careful. Careful, careful. Slow down.
You gotta put the eggs in your basket. There you go.
Get them.
Go over there, Colby, by Auntie Tina.
Go find more.
Behind Auntie Tina.
You see so many. Oh, my battery
Grab it.
died.
Right there, Colby.
Okay. Doggone it.
I probably would have stepped on it.
Batteries are dead.
You got it.
Get them. Look, you guys can see. Good job.
They know. Just get like 6 or so, guys. 7.
Get them. Put them in your basket.
Get all of them.
You gotta get as many as you can. Hurry.
Quick, get those. Right here.
I love bunnies.
Get them, Colby.
Here.
That's my yellow one.
Trade later, find now.
Get the yellow one.
No. Just run by ninja.
You got a pink one. Very smart.
You can't find your white ninja?
My other
Good job. You got another one? I see a whole bunch over here still.
A yellow one.
Look at Bo trying
Come over here, buddy.
Bo's trying to get one. There's an orange one by Bo. Go get the one by Bo.
Alana.
Bo was trying to pull it through the fence. All over here.
Colby. Get that yellow one that you saw.
There you got it.
Okay, go get it. There's one behind you on there. Big one.
We'll email this to you.
Awesome.
Technology. Huh?
Sidetrack. An orange one and a yellow one.
That's one. That's one. That's one. That's one orange.
That's the orange one. He's standing on it.
Here you go, Colby.
Oh.
There you go.
You already got that one. Here, walk over here with me.
No.
Any more?
I found all my ninjas.
Cool. Colby, go find them. Hurry, go find them.
Okay.
Oh, cemetery, you bastard. Come on, let's go find them. Over here. Where are you? Where are you?
Oh, there's my
Oh, so that is.
I thought I grabbed him. There's still 2 left.
Come on, Colby.
But I saved them.
Let's find them. It's in the grass.
I grabbed my 4 ninja.
Colby,
You got your ninjas?
Yeah.
come look over here.
Oh, I see another one.
There you go. There you go. Good hunting.
How did I miss out?
Good hunting.
I was like over there.
You want
Tree.
to find more? I don't know
no.
if there are any more.
There's 2 more over there, in there.
Hey. Look in the tree.
Here's your bucket. I found more. Put it in the bucket. Oh, great. I found more.
No, they're not.